بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. First of all, درود شریف. اللہم صلی علی محمد وعلی آل محمد کما صلیت علی ابراہیم وعلی آل ابراہیم انک حمید مجید. اللہم بارک علی محمد وعلی آل محمد کما بارکت علی ابراہیم وعلی آل ابراہیم انک حمید مجید. Assalamu alaikum students. If you are preparing for Pakistan Army exams, then first of all subscribe this channel and press the bell icon attached so that notification will be turned on and you will receive my every lecture. In today's lecture, you will be asked questions based on students' initial test experiences. Prepare all these questions well so that you can crack the test. Apart from these questions, those students who want to join my WhatsApp group or ask me for initial test and ISSB notes or get information about the academy, you may reach at 0335 9691 613. I repeat, 0335 9691 613. You can get these notes by contacting me directly, and you can also order them at home through courier service. Thanks to these notes, hundreds of my students have been successful. Let's go to today's first question. The first question is, what is the height of K2 in feet? The answer is 28,250 feet. Next. Who prepared Nehru report? The answer is Motilal Nehru. Next. In which year Nehru report was published? The answer is in 1928. Next. What is the similar meaning of foe? The answer is enemy. Next. What was UN founded? The answer is 24th October 1945. What is the name of Japan Parliament? The answer is Dict. To whom the title of Ruhullah is given? The answer is Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Thanks for listening to the lecture. Keep listening to the regular lectures which are constantly being uploaded on my two YouTube channels. The one is Sir Imran and the other is Successful Life. Keep following them. But notes must be taken. These are very important notes. Share this video further so that our voice can reach your friends. Finally, Durood Sharif. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallayta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa ashabihi wa sallam.